The Merritt Club in Libertyville, Illinois was once farmland, and in order to save it from being developed, founder Bert Getz opted to turn it into a golf course to preserve the environment. This year, the course will host the LPGA event, the UL International Crown.
The Merritt Club was designed by Bob Lohman, and Ed Oldfield had a lot of influence on placements of bunkers and tees. Construction started in '90. We opened July of '92. The Merritt Club's founder, Mr. Getz, Bert Getz, decided to turn his farm into a golf course to preserve the land. He was seeing the surrounding properties getting gobbled up by development, and he created the Merritt Club to hold that off of this piece of property. It was too nice to let houses sit on the whole property. Mr. Getz put the entire property in a conservation easement that would maintain it as open land forever. If the golf course is no longer, the property will be turned back to natural state and will never be developed. And that's his goal.
Golf course Superintendent John Nelson has been with the Merritt Club since its inception.
I've been the superintendent for 11 years here at the Merritt Club. I was the assistant prior for 12 or 13 years. I've worked here from construction on. The Merritt Club has about 150 golfing members, give or take. We do just over 10,000 rounds a year, and a busy day for us is about 100 people.
The maintenance practices are pretty standard at the Merritt Club, but they do have over 100 acres of rough to maintain.
At the Merritt Club, our maintenance is a typical maintenance. You know, you mow the greens daily, tees, fairways 3 times a week, rough mows continuously. Got over 100 acres of rough, so the mowers are going non-stop. Greens are maintained about 120 1,007-inch. Tees, fairways, aprons, all at 375. Rough now is 3 inches, getting ready for the tournament, but typically 2.5 inches high. Our basic spray program at the Merritt Club is as needed. We'll stretch it as far as we can. It's usually 28 days on the fungicide, going up to 35 or more, just as an as-needed basis. Greens every 2 weeks. Irrigation is all as needed, and very rarely. You know, we'll let the place turn brown before we water if we have to. We like it hard and fast. We've gone to a heavy top dressing program on the fairways. We try to put 50 tons of sand a year per acre on our fairways. In the past 6 years, we have over 4 inches of sand now. So that plays well with the ball roll. We could take 2 inches of rain. It'll look wet, but you'll still get lots of ball roll with that sand out there.
There is a level of expectation here that the course remains in top condition. And with that, Nelson feels they can host a tournament any day of the week.
The biggest challenges put on us at the Merritt Club would be just expectations of the members wanting it in championship conditions daily. We like to pride ourselves on that, saying we could host an event any day of the week with minimal work.
It's no wonder the Merritt Club has been asked to host the UL International Crown event.
The LPGA approached us early November, hosting the UL International Crown this year. It's a team event with 8 countries, 4 players per country. It's going to be held in mid-July, the 21st through the 24th actually. Looking forward to hosting an event.
Gearing up for a tournament is always easier when you have help, and Nelson found help in the product CIVITAS Turf Defense from Intelligro. It treats disease and works to prevent diseases from taking hold in the first place. It also helps the turf to become healthier and therefore less prone to stress.
Due to Mr. Getz's vision of keeping the environment pure, is steered me in to research different products to use, help the environment, help safety for the environment. That's when I came across the CIVITAS products. So this year with the CIVITAS Turf Defense products, we are stretching it out past the playing surface. We're going into the rough more, around the bunker capes, around the green banks. Having a tremendous response with that, making it stand out, making it a much better turf quality year-round because of it.
What does Nelson see for the future of the Merit Club?
In the future, near future, we would definitely like to regrass our greens. The course was built properly. The superintendent that built the course, Oscar Miles, did a phenomenal job putting everything in place where it makes it very easy for us to maintain. We don't need a renovation, we just need updated grasses really on the greens is what we're looking for in the future.